Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and starting the enabling flow. First, verify your Windows 10 build and that Windows Update runs. Directx updates ship through Microsoft Update. Make sure you're signed in with an administrator account so changes apply. Create a restore point and note your GPU driver version. This helps roll back if needed. Once those checks are complete, open Settings and navigate to Update and Security to prepare for the component updates that will follow. Now you'll update system components and drivers that enable Directx features. Start Windows Update and install all important and optional updates. Feature updates often include Directx runtime fixes. Next, update your GPU drivers, either through Device Manager or the vendor's control panel. Newer drivers enable new Directx APIs. After installing, reboot. Then run dxdiag to confirm the Directx version and check for driver or feature warnings. If dxdiag reports problems, note the error codes for troubleshooting. Finish by testing and resolving residual issues so Directx functions properly. Launch the game or application that needs Directx and select the desired Directx version in its settings if available. Confirm smooth rendering. If you see artifacts, crashes, or performance drops, perform a clean driver install or rollback using Device Manager, or use the in safe mode for a complete driver purge. Make sure to review dxdiag output and Windows Update history to pinpoint faulty updates. If problems remain, reinstall the latest stable GPU driver and reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.